Hi, so just a quick video to talk through how to set this up. So it's absolutely possible. You would just start out with your first question that contains the list of names that your participants can choose from, and it will be a multiple answer question where they can select as many people as they wish. So we have a feature that's called carry forward, which means that we can carry forward all of the selected choices from this question into questions following on in the survey. So the first thing to note is that there must be a page break between the question that we're basing this off of and the question we're hoping to carry the answer choices into. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a page break over here first. Then I can add more questions, and then at some stage I'll reach a question where I want to carry forward or I want to ask a question around the people I've selected up here. So if it's a multiple choice, I can click over here to the left hand side, go to carry forward choices, and this will generate a green line that will just say carry forward the selected choices from, and then I choose the question. So I'm interested in carrying this forward from the first question now. Obviously this is going to be a lot easier for you because you're going to actually type in question text, whereas all my question text is the same. But let's carry forward the selected choices from the first question, and you'll see all 11 options are pre-populated here. Obviously you can have as many as you want in here, but these are all pre-populated, and this will only show the choices that I've selected in question 1. Then maybe I want to go ahead and create another question later on that's a matrix table asking to rate someone, rate each person, for example, and maybe I want a scale from 1 to 5, for example. So I have a 5-point scale, and now I want to put everyone's name that I've selected in this question along the left hand side. So again, I go to the gear icon to the left, I use carry forward statements. Statements are along the left, and again I get the menu. And this time I'm interested in the selected choices from, again, question 1. I'm interested in carrying those forward from, because by default it will revert to the question directly above. So we're just interested in pulling forward all of the people from question 1. The only thing to note here is to make sure that you are indeed pulling from the correct question, but also that this carry forward is set to be the selected choices, not just all choices, just to make sure that they are all correct. So you can do this for as many questions as you want throughout your survey. And now if I go back and preview the survey, you'll see what this does. So if, for example, in the first question, I'm asked to select all of the people that I know, maybe for example, I'm going to select 1, 6, and 10. Now if I move forward to the next question, I should only see 1, 6, and 10. So there's 1, 6, and 10. And I see that all of them were carried forward here, and that is because I once again had all choices instead of selected choices. So that's the one thing to watch out for. But when selected choices is indeed selected, then you'll see that only the ones that I have chosen in the first question get carried forward. So I hope that answered your question, but if you do have any problems with this or any trouble setting it up, please just let me know.